Hello everybody, it's Summer and Wes. We want to answer all the questions that you guys have for us. The first question, Wes, is going to be from Shay Johnstone. She asked if you should still put air in your tires when the tire pressure monitoring system is not on. What do you think?
That's a great question, Shay. Yes, you should always check your tire pressures, whether you have a tire light on or not. It's always good to keep your tire pressures checked at least once a month, which will help with tire wear and it'll help fuel economy.
Thank you very much, Shay. We appreciate your question.
Thanks,
Everybody,
Shay.
the next question is from Andrea Miller. She's asking if putting a remote start in your vehicle voids any warranties. What do you think about that, Wes?
Andrea, that's a great question. If you put a remote starter in your vehicle and it is an aftermarket remote start, as long as they don't tamper with any of our factory modules that would cause one of those modules to fail, it will not affect your factory warranty. But I would highly recommend to do a factory remote start, which comes along with a warranty with the install.
Thank you, Andrea.
Thank you so much, everybody, for the questions. Please keep them coming. The next question is going to be from Lisa Berger. She asked Wes if it is better to use full synthetic in your vehicle.
Yeah, Lisa, that's a great question. It is better to use full synthetic oil in your engine. Your oil change interval can last a little bit longer. The oil can withstand more heat, and it is definitely better lubrication for your engine.
Thank you, Lisa, so much for the question. We really
All right,
appreciate it.
I have a great question from Ellen from Thunder Hill Farm. I get this question a lot in the service department. Ellen is asking Wes, why is her vehicle shaking when she's braking? That's a great question. How can you answer that?
Yes, Ellen, that is a great question. Normally, you get a brake pulsation or vibration when braking due to out-of-round rotors or warped rotors due to heat.
Wow, great question. I really appreciate it. Keep them coming. We're here till 5 p.m. Thank you so much, Ellen, for your question.
Everybody.
We appreciate it.
I have a question from Eric. Eric is asking if it is necessary to schedule an appointment for an oil change. That's something I'm actually going to answer myself. We actually have our express lane open Monday through Saturday. You can always just stop in there. No appointment needed to get an oil change. Through that express lane, we also do bulbs, wipers, and we can also do tire rotation as well.
All right, everybody, I have a great question from Ricky. And I'm actually going to give our service manager a chance to answer the question. He's asking, why should we go to the dealership to get work done? It does seem more expensive. Ron, can you answer that question for me?
I sure can. Thanks, Summer. So we have a lot of training and a lot of time invested with our technicians. We specialize, obviously, with Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram, Fiat vehicles, and we know how to fix the car right the first time. We also have a lot of buying power, so we're extremely competitive. Chrysler, in general, buys a lot of tires, a lot of parts, of course, and that brings the pricing down